What are you making, Kobi?
Breakfast.
What are you making for breakfast?
Bacon, eggs, and hash browns.
Yeah? Let's come have a look. Here's our breakfast done. We have our bacon, our eggs with ham and onions in it, and then our hash browns. Here is our camping spot. There's where we are going to go exploring later on today.
I'm ready to do something. There's hiking places like that one over there.
What are we doing today?
We're hiking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where are we hiking at?
Up there.
Yeah?
Show the viewers the view that we're going to hike today.
Up there, guys.
Yep. Hanging up there today. So.
We're gonna go walk around the campsite.
Alright, you have fun.
Yeah. So over here, we have another fire pit.
The only bad thing about this campsite is it's right off the road.
Yeah. Then we have this campsite and campfire. We're gonna eat breakfast right here today. Kobi is nice enough to get going for us. I'm excited. Dirt bikes by our campsite. Gotta love that. See, this is our campsite. This is where we go exploring. And this is where we start a hike. This is our hiking trail we're on. Right there, bud, be careful.
Why?
Because I tripped. No snakes. Say hi to your viewers.
Hi. We're looking for a snake.
We're not looking for snakes.
We are too. That's why I didn't bring my BB gun. So we can shoot. We don't have to shoot it.
Yeah?
Yes. Snakes do not like that. Snakes do not live in America. But we're in Las Vegas.
Oh,
That's where
dude.
they live. Holy crap, that is cute and small at the same time. What are you doing, Mom?
Looking.
For a snake?
Just looking. Is that okay?
This is a camper.
Camper. Wanna go see it?
Yeah.
Come here.
Okay.
Right there. There's our camper. There's Dad cleaning up the camp, girl. Wanna say hi?
Hi.
To Dad.
Dad! Hi!
Hi!
We're so high up so fast. We're looking for a snake.
You found a snake?
No.
Looking for one?
Oh, okay. You leave it where you find it. Don't bring it to me.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going, bud. We're not touching it.
I'll give it to Dad.
No, they'll poison us, dude.
What snakes aren't poisonous?
There are some. Okay.
Okay, which kind?
Garden snakes.
Is the large one with the garden snake?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But garden snakes aren't in the desert here, bud. But garden snakes are not in the desert.
Rattlesnakes are.
Rattlesnakes are.
So we have to be careful.
Uh-huh. Okay, come here.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
I just want to see that dead. See see how far we are from the top.
Okay, you stay here.
Okay, you go.
Okay.
And if I see a snake, I'll run for my life. Okay, Mom? Okay. We don't see. This stuff is awesome.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We better get out of here.
Okay.
This falls. But wait, I see a nest.
Yeah. There's also cactus up there.
Like there it is.
Yep.
Oh crap, no. I hate
Okay,
them.
so let's go find a different way to get up, okay?
Okay.
Come here.
I think I have my own way. Come on.
What?
I have my own way to get up.
How's that?
You're gonna have to figure it out. Parkour. Parkour.
Your mom does not do that.
I do it. I have a way.
Okay, I'm not wearing my hiking boots, bud.
I know. Neither am I.
I know a way we can get up, dude.
Okay.
It's over here.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that's a big rock, and if it fell, you'd be crushed. And I don't want that to happen.
Dead.
Yeah. Okay.
Unless hope comes. Hope.
Unless the Hulk comes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And I know he's not real.
Yeah?
Mom, to me that actually looks like a piece of bacon. A big piece of bacon.
A big piece of bacon? Yeah?
It does. In height it does.
Yeah?
In the base it does.
Yeah?
Area equals base times height.
Yes, it does.
You learned that in 9th grade. And
I did learn that in 9th grade.
Huh?
I learned that in 9th grade, you're right.
You told me.
Okay. Is that a no?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
We climbed close like to the top.
Yeah, guys, the top is right there. We just don't want to scale a vertical wall to get there. But this is a view we have from where we are.
Isn't this awesome, guys?
And here's our big rock. Then down there's our camping spot.
Yeah. So, there's a rock I found.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, now where are you going, bud?
We're going downhill from here.
Downhill from here, what way?
That way. The same way that we came.
We didn't come up that way, we came up this way.
Yeah, let's go that way.
Okay. Say bye to your viewers.
Bye.